In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share audio in a Microsoft Teams meeting using a web browser like Chrome or Edge. This is really handy if you want to share music, a video, or any audio content smoothly with your colleagues or friends during a virtual meeting. So let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, open your preferred web browser, either Chrome or Edge, and navigate to teams.microsoft.com. Once there, start or join your scheduled Teams meeting. It's nice to remember that using a web browser to access Teams often simplifies the process, especially if you're just jumping into a meeting from a computer that doesn't have the Teams app installed. Now that you're inside the meeting room, direct your attention to the meeting toolbar. Here, you will see a series of icons, each representing different actions you can take. Look for the Share icon, which looks like a square with an arrow pointing upwards. This icon is your gateway to sharing not just your screen, but also your audio. Clicking on this icon will bring up a sharing menu. At this point, you have the ability to share your entire screen, a window, or most importantly for our task today, a browser tab. Now, why should you choose to share a tab over the entire screen or a window? The answer is surprisingly simple. It's because sharing a specific tab allows for the best audio sharing experience. This ensures the sound quality is as clear as possible for everyone in the meeting. Next, select either the Chrome tab or Edge tab option, depending on the browser you are using. This will present you with a list of all the open tabs in your browser. Here's the crucial part. Pick the specific tab that includes the audio or video you wish to share. Before proceeding further, take a moment to check the Share tab audio box. You'll find this checkbox in the bottom left corner of the Share window. It's vital to have this checked, otherwise the meeting participants will see the content, but they won't hear any sound from it. Just a small tick box, but it makes all the difference when it comes to seamless communication. Once you've ensured that the Share tab audio box is checked and you've selected the appropriate tab, go ahead and click Share. And just like that, all the participants in your Teams meeting are now able to hear the audio right from your selected browser tab. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can ensure a professional and well-orchestrated media sharing experience in your Microsoft Teams meeting directly from a web browser. Feel free to pause and replay any part of this walkthrough if you need, and don't hesitate to leave any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing!